Before starting the slat belt conveyor system, make sure that the main disconnect switch is in the off position. Inspect the conveyor bed to make sure that the slat belt is sitting properly in the track. The belt line should be free from any obstructions such as spoons, knives, forks, and napkins. Inspect the drive and tail units to make sure that the strainers are in place. Replace the strainer compartment cover and shut the doors of the drive unit. Now turn on the main disconnect switch. Set the belt wash function to detergent and spray and push the green start button. Conveyor speed is adjustable. Based on the available manpower and volume of incoming trays, the desired speed can be set by the operator. A low detergent level warning light on the control panel glows when the solution tank runs out of detergent. Fill the solution tank to maintain